ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another Pre ICO review. Today I wanted to look at Kryll, which I just found out about from Cointelegraph. This article was just posted today with 44,900 total views. So I have a feeling this coin is going to be getting some hype over the next couple of days, couple of weeks. A new automated crypto trading platform. So if you look at the website, I actually just signed up. So this is the dashboard. When you sign up, you can pay with Ethereum, copy, send Ethereum to that address, and you get your Kryll tokens. I have not done that yet. The minimum contribution is 500 Kryll at 20 cents. I calculated that was about $100. Right now there's a 10% bonus going on February 20th to the 27th. From the 27th to March 6th will be 5%, then no bonus. I'm a little sad I didn't hear about this until today because the bonus was 30% last week. I have been following this on the bounty on Bitcoin Talk on the bounty thread, but I did not know that their token sale had started. There's just so many coins, it's hard to pay attention to all of them. So a quick rundown of the website. The website's pretty professional. What they're trying to do is create this app that allows you to set trading signals, buy signals, sell signals, and can automatically put in a trade for you to buy or sell. So it's very similar to other trading platforms such as Gimmer, a Profit Trailer, which I've played with a little bit, which is another really good trading bot. So Cointelegraph obviously today. I guess this is what the back end is going to look like, where you can create a specific strategy if it falls below 20%. This is kind of what Profit Trailer does, but instead of using a fancy drag and drop platform like this, it uses code. So you don't have to be a programmer, but you have to know how to write variables and set your parameters that way. They're trying to avoid that by using a user-friendly drag and drop app. So I wanted to dive a little bit deeper. I put together a little slideshow for this. After reading the white paper today, I am tempted to invest. It's a little big for the screen. I'll just leave it like this. So the number one thing to always look for in a ICO, pre-ICO, or any coin for that matter, except for Bitcoin, is the team and advisors. So the team, I looked up, they all have LinkedIn profiles. They are real people. They started a company 3 years ago called Coders in Black, which is a software development and kind of troubleshooting, hacking team. Very interesting website. You might want to look at it. It's called Coders in Black. This is the CEO and CTO of Kryll, started and still run the company, I believe, located in France. They are blockchain experts and open source contributors. So I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. They only had a couple developers. They don't have a working product that I could find at the moment, so you can't really test out the software and see what it looks like. So the roadmap is pretty ambitious, a 3-year roadmap, which you can find in the white paper. The website only has the 1-year roadmap, and it's basically just talking about improving the software. The one-pager is a good one to look at. Yeah, the white paper is 19 pages, pretty easy to read. Most of it just talks about the token metrics and is just kind of a carbon copy of the website, or the website's a copy of the white paper. But it does focus a lot on the facts of using a trading bot and how beneficial it could be, rather than focusing on how the actual trading bot works. So the hype and marketing obviously is very little, other than the Cointelegraph paper. I haven't seen or heard anything about Kryll. There's nothing in YouTube. They do have the big bounty program, which, let me pull it up again, has 237 pages in a little over a month, which is quite ridiculous. Anything with this type of pages is going to be a big project. This is something like on the level of ICO, or bounty program rather, or that 47 Bank had even less than this. So usually that's a good metric to tell how popular a pre-ICO is going to be. Go to Bitcoin Talk, look at the thread. If it's got 1,000,000 pages, it's probably a good idea. Also go to the Twitter and Telegram, see how many. I think they said 3,000 or 4,000, which mainly comes from their bounty program where people are rewarded with the Kryll token if they tweet or join the Facebook or Telegram group. But like I said, nothing on YouTube so far from the big YouTubers. Is it disruptive in nature? Is the market ready for the new technology? Well, this technology is being used by a lot of big businesses that already use social signals, that look for keywords in social media, such as Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, and the more that a coin gets mentioned in Facebook, Twitter, the bot knows that that is going to go up in price, because the more social media attention it gets probably is going to reflect the price of the coin going up. So it's very similar to other projects such as Gimmer, which isn't doing so well right now. If you look at the ICO, on the ICO review websites, they didn't give Gimmer a good rating. They don't really have much of a working product either at this point. The best one trading bot that does work at the moment is Profit Trailer, which costs around $300 to $400, and it's still in the early stages. It came out a couple of months ago, but it does work. That one you can set the parameters for buying and selling. You can run it on VPS 24/7, and Kryll, it wants to do the same thing, but you don't need a VPS to set up their software. It'll run on the Kryll on the blockchain. So this obviously is going to be confusing to new people getting into crypto, which I think they may not want to adopt something like this right away. For more experienced people in crypto, it may be fun to try, but if people lose money on the bot or it doesn't work as they claim, they may try other platforms out, such as Gimmer or Profit Trailer. So yes, I meant to say yet to see the working app. We are yet to see what it looks like on mobile devices or anything for that matter. It's all just drawings for now. So until we see a working app and people making trades with Kryll, there still is a lot of development to be done. So the business utility, what problem are they trying to solve? I gave this a 4 out of 5 because sure, it's a big, if you can make a utility that automatically trades, that looks at Bollinger Bands, Elliott Wave patterns, and can detect when a profitable trade pattern is occurring and make that trade, that's, the money tree, right? That's the money tree. So it's not really a necessity in the market, but it would be nice to have a good trading bot. And this one is, in theory, looking pretty good until we see it in action. It's just a theory. So, but it is free to create and test. So when they do set up their alpha beta test net, I'm going to try it out and see some of the strategies you can actually get for free. And like Profit Trailer, which is on Discord at the moment, they have a lot of strategies that you can use for free. And a lot of people fail. A lot of them are bad. So that's the problem with a lot of these strategies, is that some of them won't be very good. So the usefulness of the project, if it produces results, yeah, it's going to be useful. Like I said, it's very early stages. I think it's going to be a couple more years until any of these bots really can be useful. They're already, big companies will spend millions of dollars hiring private software development companies to create bots that look at metrics such as social media, and they're not giving that out to the public. So that's kind of irrelevant. Most trading bots, yeah, very non-user friendly. So you need to be a PhD in computer science to be able to run one of these $10 million bots. So the verdict, I'm going to give it a 4.1 out of 5. It is probably better than most of the other bot trading like coins. I have seen some good bots, but none that are running on their own platform. So it's an interesting idea. It's nothing very new. So the risk level, is it a scam? I don't think it's a scam. These are 3 levels of risk levels, usually with any pre-ICO. It differs in ICOs, but the first level of risk is it a scam? That means they don't deliver the token. And this isn't the case here. I think they will be delivering the token. I think you can actually go here and get the token right away. Number 2 is incompetent, which means they don't deliver the product. It can be months and months or even years, and they just don't deliver on it. They talk about it and they don't deliver. So I think we're at level 3 risk level here, which means that they just can't acquire enough hype to get the funds they need to develop the project. So that would be bad luck, would be taking the risk here if you fail. But other than that, I think it's pretty low risk, pretty high reward. I wish I would have got in earlier and got that 30% bonus, but 10% bonus is pretty good. You have another couple of weeks. March 20th is when the ICO will begin. So this is the pre-ICO stage. And I think I will invest. I have one more day or two to decide how much. I'm thinking a small amount. I'll leave a link below to the Cointelegraph article, which a lot of people now are going to be reading this. It just came out today. Nobody knew about Kryll until today because of Cointelegraph, I'm sure. I didn't, and I'm looking at hundreds of pre-ICOs. So that's it for this video. I'm going to leave links to the Kryll website here. And yeah, take a look at it. You have a couple days to decide if you really want to get in for the 10% bonus, 5% bonus. Otherwise, you have until March 20th, 1 month. So do some research, take a look at Kryll, and thanks for watching.